my lashes blowing in the wind. Oh, I hope they on good. I should have been here. On one day, Memphis mine. Hey, mine, say mine. Stay out the way, man. Right, what being a woman got to do with getting waxed?
A grown man supposed to have hairless
Nobody needs it.
Okay.
So we can shout out to the plugs for the ticket. If you live in Memphis, me and my sister just spotted some train shoes.
That's all I'm here. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Hundreds and fifties. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I'm living.
How you gonna talk bad about somebody and you know what I'm saying?
I'm doing my makeup to get ready. Today's 901 day. So happy 901 day. It's the Memphis area zip code. And since today's September 1st, it's 901 day. We're just on Facetime and I'm getting ready because it's like, I didn't even know. Dominique just told me it's events going on downtown. So me and Boom about to go pull up. The Scapex and the Hellcats outside.
That's so fucking hot.
I like this elf sponge. I was talking to Junior earlier. He was doing his yard. Girl, I ain't put no primer on my face. Girl, I ain't got no primer on my face. Real ghetto.
Makeup and we finna be in the heat, bruh.
I'm putting on a little bit of makeup and I got a fan.
There you go.
We deep on here.
You don't talk that.
You got nothing there, but big express meat. Up there smoking a lot of weed.
What should we?
You put on the wrong foundation and I didn't put on primer. So we tested my look today.
Wet old tacos. Y'all love that meat.
Where he got that from, the taco truck?
I ain't got time for this wet taco, bro.
Bro, you gotta go to a real taco truck. You can't be eating Taco Bell. That ain't real.
I don't eat
tacos with the taco kit from Kroger.
Hold on, he said
Not the taco kit.
what?
You swear you can cook but still make tacos.
I'll cook you.
So you outside but you ain't that outside.
Where y'all going?
We're right to it with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.
What you drinking?
I'm saying she finna get sex on the beach.
Lisa said she finna go to Wet Whitley's.
Sex on the beach. Bro.
It ain't even 2 o'clock.
She said she finna get a call me a lip.
I like that part. All right.
Get off your chest, bruh.
Who got hair on their chest?
Jerricka finna wax my back for me today.
The crimson shit.
You need to record it.
I'm never let nobody wax my under.
Why not, Lil B?
I got my underarms waxed. They ain't grew back yet.
You a woman. You supposed to get waxed.
What being a woman
Alright,
makes
get off
you wax, Lil B?
Right. What being a woman got to do with getting waxed?
A grown man supposed to have hairless
And you know the camera going, so they gon' join in on that one.
No, sir. I'm not agreeing with that.
Wait, what he say?
Dancing, you look white.
No, I don't.
You wish you could be Caucasian, Nick.
See, these conversations be too unfiltered.
Who had mama in here?
Girl, who added your mama in?
Not me. Brian.
Boom said Brian. Boom said Brian.
Who adding her fuck?
Arches and halos. Girl, I'm supposed to be doing my pedicure. I'm about to go outside with need my pedicure done. Foot.
That might eat. Who eats wet tacos, bro? Girl, them the best taco. That's an actual taco, though, man.
Oh God, I don't know. Taco Bell is not a real taco.
I didn't say Taco Bell. Stop coming at me like I can't cook, bro. You know what I'm talking about? Bro, you buy your tacos from Kroger.
Ah, yeah, it's over with them. Stop.
Wait, so I can't cook?
I'm just soaking it all in.
What you make at home, ground beef, them not real tacos.
That is tacos. Wanna be.
A flour shell could never.
Not a flower shell. I need to put my phone on charge. I'm tripping.
What time y'all heading out?
Soon as I finish my makeup, what should I wear? I I only know how to dress up. I don't know how to dress casual.
Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna dress up. I'm gonna just dress up.
Come on. What you do? What you got in mind?
I don't know what I got in mind. I wore my Jordans twice. No, I wore my Jordans 3 times. 3 times actually.
What's up, baby?
She like I wear my Jordans 3 times.
I did.
You want to pick up all the sticks?
No.
Oh, he picking up all the sticks. Okay.
I hope my makeup lasts like all day.
Dominique, look.
Cause we supposed to be going out tonight when Jerricka gets free. Not free, but she said she gonna be free after 8. So it's gonna be a busy day. I hope y'all ready. But I'm gonna finish my makeup. I'll talk to y'all later because this is just too much time for conversation. Hey y'all, it's Destiny. So happy 901 day. I'm back, by the way. I think I already spoke to you all earlier when I was getting ready. I just made it to Dillard's. I'm back. Well, I didn't vlog yesterday. I was gonna say I'm back at Dillard's again, but y'all weren't with me yesterday. I thought I brought the SD card, but I didn't. I had the camera, but not the SD card. But I'm about to go in Dillard's. I'm all casual because it's like activities going on. It's activities going on downtown in Memphis today, so I may go down there when I leave. I'm gonna try to find a mirror and show y'all my little casual fit. That's cute. Look. Ooh, see, I need this because I wouldn't even know where to start. Hey y'all, look what I ran into.
Period.
She's a fan.
Period.
She said
And
period.
I'm going to see Gloss. Hey, I'm dropping the vlog. I'm vlogging today. My camera in the car, but I'm definitely vlogging today. I'm finna go see Glorilla, know what I'm saying, backstage, you know what I'm saying. Y'all go see what's up. Y'all go see what's up.
But yeah, we at the mall. She needs some things.
I need something to wear.
I just don't mind finding stuff that I don't need. So that's why I'm here. Ghetto fabulous. I actually got on tennis shoes today. So y'all never see me like this. I look crazy. Not me and some forces. I'm finna go. I'm looking like a tourist. I need this right here. That's pretty. I forgot the name of this store. Elite. Oh, let me show you my outfit of the day since I didn't
Delta
get.
Dental is putting the C in Tennessee. That's right. Delta Dental is now covering dental and
but I don't
vision.
have on a
So
belt.
stop squinting at your teeth in the mirror. We love your whole face.
I got my necklace back yesterday too.
When you get the delicious Atkins chicken finger plate, one sauce is just never
Give me my
enough. But don't
necklace
worry,
back.
because we have 12 dippable flavor pack sauces to go with every
It's
hamburger
giving
chicken finger you
no-
bite. Select one.
Right there. I like that. And that. You can do denim. Do a denim look, T. I'm finna get these right here. I'm finna get these and the top. I like that. Get this. That's cute too. Not me looking like a tourist. I don't care where I vlog it. If I ever vlog downtown, feel like a tourist. I'm with my cousin Crystal. What's up? We downtown. It's recording. Yeah, it's recording. And Sweet Pea, y'all see enough of Sweet Pea.
901 day, man.
901.
Check it out. Don't 901 day. Y'all stun all the shirt.
So we're gonna see what's going on. It's supposed to just be like festivities and stuff. I ain't gonna lie to y'all because I really don't know, but we just here. It's free. Yeah, we like free stuff. Girl, now my lashes blowing in the wind. Oh, I hope they on good. I'm scared. We gotta go around. And man, I got this swag. Not me in the wrong key. Cue the B-roll music. I feel like I'm at the club now. Yeah, to the right. You hate from that side. You can't even get in. They making us walk around, y'all. People be like, put me on the vlog. One thing about it, my mama gonna get you through a crowd, baby.
I remember back when I ain't had nothing, so yeah, I'ma fall to the end. Bitch again. Yeah, she got it hard in the club every week, but you.
Y'all, it's hot out here.
Makes me sick with all this itching and
Nobody needs nobody. Ain't gon' stop me up for them. Now we the rent. But I'm a rough rider, most likely my man. And Ratchet, ain't no matter who that's done.
Free item, some t-shirt, some make some noise. We can rock a free t-shirt.
I'm too big on grabbing nipples. So what my dog do? She is so fine here. Some of the beatles. She said, boogie real. Pull up on me. Hey, they sing that trap just like a spider. Don't cut out one nighter. Drop me.
Yeah, two-turn.
These niggas false, they fast. Y'all think they took. I swear to God, I don't give two fucks.
Count me back. What the fuck? I got my fucking 1, 2, 3.
It's already wrong. But the powers who make that shit. Where you have to roll candy and my mind goes back to reality. To the brain. Telling you it's all about the candy, man.
This man just told my mama he gonna take her home tonight. My mama said, your shoes too dirty. Golly. Sweet pea. Let me call my daddy. He went and took his head with them. He shot at it. Don't be shamed now. He's trying to shoot you a shot. That's how you get rid of them all. Sweet pea got on the 901 gear. Oh, I don't like these. Comment down below if y'all walk on those. This was so fun. Hey, y'all missed it, man. Y'all missed Big Boogie. So fine, black, sexy, y'all should have been here. 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 901 day, Memphis, mine. Hey, mine, say mine. Stay out the way, man. Change. I gotta hurry up because my friend just called me. So I touched up my hair, took my shower. This is my old bedroom that my parents turned into an office. I gotta put my mama hair. Look at my mama hair scarf I used to lay my edges. Period. The perfume she let me borrow, I just want to put it out there. I smell so good. I smell so good. Tom Ford. I forget. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Nor. So I brought this with me because I knew I was gonna like shower and wash my little glow off. So I brought it in the car. Tom Ford Soleil Blanc. So since I'm wearing the Tom Ford, they should complement together. And since I got on shorts, a little glow. I'm getting ready to go and meet my friend. Let me put this on. I'm about to go and meet my friend Jerricka. We're about to go and eat. So yeah, y'all know I keep my little spend the night bag, so stay ready. You don't gotta get ready. Huh? Okay. Oh, I smell so good. Oh my god. Touched up my hair. Where the light in it? There we go. So I touched up my hair. This is the shirt I grabbed just at the mall. Just a little casual shirt. It says sauce. I should have brought my pink tail for it, but I'm carrying the silver one because I didn't know like what I was gonna grab. Let me show y'all. What you say, Sweet Pea? All right, so this is the look. If I would have like had it like all the way planned out, but I just grabbed like a little shirt. I was like, oh, this is cute. I didn't know I would need it tonight, but I'm glad because I already had these little shorts in my little baggy bag. I gotta cut the tag off of this thing. Last time I didn't have scissors and I like tucked it last time I wore it. So yeah, this, and then my Air Forces again. And I gotta go because it's 10 o'clock. Oh my god. Oh, she just called me too. So yeah, it's 10 o'clock. All right, let's go. I'll see y'all when we get there. Whenever I'm moving fast, I don't even get to recap the day. But the 901 event was so fun. Girl, this pencil broke. Mom, you got a pencil sharpener, Mom? In the office. Let's go to the office. Hold on. Girl, she got this kind. Let's see if it's gonna sharpen it. Let's see if it's gonna sharpen it. Girl, I hope it work, girl. It ain't plugged up, girl. That's ghetto. I know you lying. Hold on. The MAC pencils don't go all the way down. I don't know if this was like that at child schools, but in Memphis, in middle school, when you was fresh, like when your outfit looked good, you used to go to the pencil sharpener, even if your pencil didn't need to be sharpened. So this just brought back memories. This is Dior 630 Delight. Delight. I still got on a little bit of that liner from earlier today. All my earrings. I took my earrings off because I wasn't like prepared for the day, and that crowd was so crazy. I was like, I cannot lose my earrings, so I need to go back and does that make me sound materialistic? I don't care if it makes me sound materialistic. I paid good money for them. I can't lose them. And people was going crazy in the crowd. I snatched them off so fast, so I was like, want to hold my earrings. Because I almost dropped my phone like twice. And I was like, let me put my camera away because the crowd started getting crazy, and it wasn't, not crazy, but like, if you ever been in a crowd where people are giving away t-shirts and you're close to the front and you're around people who want the shirt, that can get crazy. So I made it back downtown. I'm gonna park at this garage over here, but what I'm about to do actually, if I put Hooters to my right, that's where my friend is, where I'm meeting her at. If I put Hooters to my right, I can call her and say, come outside, because there's other people there. So I'm gonna have her to run outside real fast. This boom, hold on. Let me call you right back this side. I gotta call Jerricka right quick. Okay. I'm gonna put Hooters to my right, tell her to come outside. She's gonna jump in the car right fast. We're gonna park together so that I'm not walking alone. It sounds like a lot. If you're not from Memphis, then you're gonna just think I'm making like a baby, but anywhere, you just gotta, we just like to move safe. So I think I just put Hooters to my right. Let me call and tell her to come outside. Let me stop. Come outside. Okay, come outside.
Okay.
All right.
She passed me, so I'm going.
Oh my god. Not the traffic. I said it too soon.
You did what?
I think I said it too soon. I'm still in traffic. I'm like far back.
Man, you come outside with this mother.
You came out that fast? Y'all like right near the door?
You come to me.
Period.
You say what?
She said come to me.
And before you come, let you know I got a boyfriend.
And he crazy. Say, and he crazy. Not it's not a red light yet.
Man, you know what I mean. So I'm trying to get out there.
Okay, I'm right here. Where you at? Are you on the side? Right here. It's red. Come right here. This me.
Okay, I gotta go.
Bye. She gotta go.
You in there? Ooh wee, my little yeah.
Oh, we matching.
Make it right.
I forgot this right on red. They finna blow with me, I bet.
Okay.
So we can put They take cars at this one, right?
You
don't never pull in close enough.
You got a nice car. Okay, Junior the rapper. You hear me?
I need to keep it.
Cars.
Okay, y'all. I'm gonna actually vlog on my phone if I get some footage because I don't want to bring this. Bye.
That's cute.
Okay, yeah, we got a shrimp pizza. Hopefully it's good. It's recommended.
She's a YouTuber. Subscribe, All of Destiny, guys. All of Destiny YouTube. Subscribe. She got 300,000 subscribers. Okay, don't play with her. You hear me?
Because if your friends don't,
she do everything. She do
what
nails,
did they do?
Her own nails, her hair, her makeup, everything. Vlogs. Let me call vlogs. Fuck y'all.
Okay, quick pizza review and then that's gonna be it for the night. I might not even post this. Hi. First, rewind. I did my makeup and I forgot my primer, so I just want to put it out there. They just lasting. And it's our drugstore. Don't play with me. Shrimp on pizza is a vibe.
You go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a Toyota. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times like you the Batman. You just wanna butt up in the designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort shy. I ain't give you nothing, you got comfort shy. I got plenty that you ain't got run for shy.
You don't know now. Done been the places I've been. Who can spend the grands that I spend? My 5 or 6 best friends. And you don't know now. That's off the chain like me. That'll floss a thing like me. Oh, look off a thing like me. Now you don't know now.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm not so glad that I can have this, baby.
Alright, so I'm back. The camera died on me, but it is allowing me to kind of charge it right now. Okay, so I went ahead and washed my little popcorn, what is it called? Microwave popcorn popper. So you want to fill it right here to the line. You could probably get any kind of popcorn. I just grabbed like, yeah, I bought this stuff over a year ago. Let me see if it's expired actually. I would imagine that it's probably not one because it's just the kernels. First off, mind your business. So we're gonna try this popcorn popper today. Ooh, it better be good. So you use this to fill it then. You're supposed to do a slice of butter. But I want to use my movie theater butter, so I'm gonna use this. Just pour in a little bit. Girl, I hope nothing don't happen. I don't see why anything would happen though, because the butter was gonna melt and drip in the same way. So then it says not all microwaves are the same, so you want to put it in for anywhere, it recommends anywhere from 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 3 minutes basically. You know you have to just listen for the popcorn, so. 245. Let's see what we get. Ooh, we got popcorn. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm obviously probably need to add some salt. It's good, but I need to add a little something to it. I used to have some popcorn. There it is. Oh, this is my kettle corn seasoning actually. So since this is all I had, is this the brand? Oh, these are the same. Not me being excited about that. Okay, so we're gonna add a little Himalayan pink salt to it then. Not me wanting to try my new gadget out when I don't even have what I need to try it. I'm gonna do like they do at the theater. You want butter? And no one gonna say yes. Why y'all even asking? Like this. So, look. So when I flip the lid up, that part somehow is stuck in there. I'm gonna get a fork and push from the other side. Wait now. Yeah, I'm gonna hurt myself. Never mind. So I'm gonna just have to pour just a little bit. Like they do at the theater. And shake. They don't shake with it, yeah. Trying to mix it in, girl. With a little hot sauce on it. Well, that's good. Hold on. See, I should have added more while it was popping. I know next time how much to add to make it really hit. Because that's good. That's really good. Okay, got me some popcorn. Obviously, I got the kind that's already in the pantry, but when you have a little cute little thing that you ain't tried yet, I just wanted to try it. I'm gonna eat straight out of this. I got this, where did I get this? I got this a couple years ago, so I don't even remember, but I know Amazon may have it, so I'll link it. And I'm about to watch Caresha what? I'll check out Caresha, please. I gotta find my glasses because I didn't put my contacts in today. And I like it. This is really good.
Chicken legs, I've been rolling by the weed and rolling lane. Check that the dose away. Too much on me. Damn. Pretty sweat.
Me and my sister was at home building furniture because we weren't gonna come. This is like the last classic. Where Alice was the boom call, she like, we heard that about this, that, and other. We like, we thought you weren't going. Because Memphis kind of been crazy lately. So yeah, Battle of the Band starts in like 10 minutes. Normally we always go to the tailgate. So this is the first year that we could try to actually go in the game. Yeah! We all the way on Central. Nowhere near it yet. Battle of the Band starts in 10 minutes. We gonna miss it. Like, girl, I'm glad we ain't pay for our tickets. Shout out to the plug for the tickets. What's up, y'all? This is Ratchet Destiny. We trying to hurry up and get here. Cause this is our first year going to the actual game. And this is the last game. There will be no more. And we've always been tailgate goers, not game goers. I don't like sports. I don't watch sports. If somebody wants to take me to a sports game, pretend I didn't say that. Hi.
3 days later.
Okay, yeah, we finally made it. We're gonna make our folks give us a ride to the car because they got like little VIP parking and whatnot. We made it. So they was able to park like all the way up here somewhere. All right, let's get in line. Girl, if y'all can't come in, don't even talk to me. But I seen footage on YouTube before of the game, so I think somebody can vlog.
76.
Okay. Excuse me, can we add jalapenos to all 3? Thank you. Thank you.
I'm here for $4 a chop.
You don't get shit straight, you don't straighten it. In this game, sit back, be patient. Niggas act like the game went vacant. Niggas act like some been taken. Ain't nothing but a little bit straightening. Been kicking shit, popping out daily. On the island, it's a movie I'm making. I'm counting De Niro's with Robert De Niro. He telling them that you're amazing. That shit on, nigga get shit.
Say hey.
What's up? Like it. Like it. How do you see me?
Stop. 3/4 of football complete. It's the 33rd.
They was parked on the parking lot. Must be nice.
Must be nice.
Me and Dominique came all the way down and all the way back there somewhere. But we ain't gonna talk about that. So we decided to go ahead and leave early. It's like 6 more minutes left in the game. If you live in Memphis, me and my sister just spotted some train shoes. Depending on where you live, we might have made the news in your city. Yeah, I'm vlogging. What's your name? I'm Shanae. Shanae. Alicia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I'm surprised my makeup look okay now. I sweated so hard. Train shoes count number 1. We're just walking to the park. The same route that we took.
You sure it's the way we came?
I think so.
We'll let him somewhere.
Ooh, okay. Thank you for the headlight lighting. Soon I cut the camera off, right? Dude said it was screaming. What's your name? I be trying to let y'all hear the screaming because I really think y'all be thinking I be making it up. Well, not the people that's from Memphis.
Hit him with the ice skirmish.
Ice skirmish. Come here. Where you going? To the car. Walk us to the car.
Are you guys on YouTube?
So, yes.
I be featured.
Tell up.
Period. What's up? We from Nashville. Hey, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to that shit.
JSU, what you talking about, Big Boogie? Yo. I'm talking about bands. I don't know about football. I'm watching the game.
Where y'all from? Where y'all from? They from the D. Y'all ain't from Memphis, dog. You ain't from Memphis. You ain't popping.
Oh! Not us outnumbered right now.
Take all these niggas' money. What we finna do? Then leave.
At this point, hey look. Let me get my phones back out of my pocket. Keep your phones out your back pocket when you're in the crowd, look.
That's history.
Keep them on you. I shouldn't have brought this little bitty fanny pack. I'm gonna call y'all back though.
I love them, you know.
I'm trying to eavesdrop, so hold on. Yeah, I'm right here, Tree. I mean, Tree.
How you gonna cut the money off?
How you gonna cut the money off? Why would you cut the money off? Let me stop looking. They turn back there.
33.
Silly, can't breathe. Boy, you do something to me.